Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If your check engine light is on and you've pulled code P0354, stick around because today we're diving into what this code means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. What is P0354 codes? The P0354 stands for Ignition Coil, Primary, Secondary Circuit Malfunction. Your car's computer has detected a problem with the ignition coil for cylinder number 4. That coil is either not firing correctly or maybe not at all. In most modern vehicles, each cylinder has its own ignition coil. Coil usually refers to cylinder 4, but always check your vehicle's repair manual to be sure. Number 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor. The sensor may be worn out, damaged, or defective due to age or contamination. Inspect the sensor for damage or contamination. Replace the camshaft position sensor if found faulty. Clear codes and test drive to confirm fix. Number 2. Wiring issues. Faulty connectors can disrupt the signal between the sensor and the PCM. Perform a visual inspection of the sensor harness and connector. Repair or replace damaged wires connectors. Use a multimeter to check continuity and voltage. Number 3. Timing chain or belt problems. A stretched or misaligned timing chain belt throws off camshaft and crankshaft synchronization. Perform a timing inspection using proper tools. Realign or replace the timing chain belt if misaligned or worn. Verify cam-crank timing marks during reassembly. Number 4. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. Since the camshaft and crankshaft sensors work together, a bad crank sensor can cause false camshaft sensor errors. Test the crankshaft position sensor for signal output. Replace if found defective. Number 5. Faulty PCM. A malfunctioning PCM may misread or misprocess sensor signals. Only consider PCM replacement after ruling out all other causes. Test using manufacturer-specific diagnostic procedures. If needed, replace PCM and reprogram using OM tools. Want to avoid this problem in the future? Keep your ignition system healthy by using quality spark plugs and changing them at the recommended intervals. Keeping engine bay moisture and oil leaks in check. Avoiding cheap aftermarket coils that don't meet OM specs. Should you replace the coil or fix the wiring? Here's a rule of thumb. If the coil is old or cracked, replace it. If you find damaged wiring or corroded connectors, repair or replace the harness. If multiple coil codes are showing up, you may have a deeper issue, like a failing EQ or ground fault. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.